In today's science and art class, we learn why my body needs food, more specifically healthy food, with this book by 𝐂𝐥𝐻𝐬𝐧𝐢. Let's go! We need food. What did you eat today? We all need food. Healthy foods give us energy. They help our bodies grow. Healthy hint: eat a healthy breakfast. It will give you energy to start the day. What is your favorite breakfast? Vitamins. Healthy foods are full of vitamins. Our bodies need these to work well. We need them to grow too. Milk has vitamin D. It helps bones grow strong. Food groups. Milk is in the dairy group. There are 5 main food groups. They are dairy, protein, fruits, vegetables, and grains. Healthy hint: this chart shows all 5 food groups. Eat foods from each one every day. But how much should we eat? Fruits are full of vitamin A and C, so are vegetables. Kids should eat 1 to 2 servings of fruit and vegetables every day. Healthy hint: try dipping carrots in hummus. Hummus is made of vegetables and you will get your 2 servings at once. And then there's protein. Eggs are in the protein group. Meats and nuts are too. Our bodies turn protein into energy. This energy lets us run and play. Our brains need protein to think. And then there's the digestive system, which breaks down food. The food turns into energy, which is sent to the whole body. Energy lets us be active. And then there's junk food, which is bad for the body. They do not have vitamins and are full of sugar and fat. Save junk foods for treats. Only eat a little bit at each time. Healthy snacks. Snacks are fun to eat. You can choose healthy snacks. Pick your favorite fruit. Mix it with yogurt to make a smoothie. A smoothie counts as a fruit and a dairy serving. Healthy bones. Our bodies need healthy foods. They give us energy and help us grow. They also help our bodies work the best they can. What is your favorite healthy food? Let me know down below. Now let's go through some words we learned today. The first one is active, which means full of energy and busy. Dairy is fluid milk or other foods that are made from milk, such as cheese and yogurt. Then there's the digestive system, which is the body system that breaks down food so the body can use it. Energy is the strength and ability to do activities without getting tired. Grains are foods that are made from wheat, rice, oats, or other grains such as bread, pasta, and oatmeal. Protein is a chemical found in humans and living plants and animals. Food proteins include foods that are made from meat, eggs, beans, peas, and nuts. And then there's vitamins, which are substances in foods that humans need for good health. Now it's your turn. Why do you think healthy foods are so important to us? Share with me down below. And also, let me know what are your favorite healthy foods. Take some time for a think, and when you're ready, I'll see you in the next class for some more learning fun. That's all for today. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.